So what do we do in a small town when the fall hits? Well, you have a parade. Getting a little hot out here and I need to catch up with my team up here. Alright, so we're done with the parade, so what do we do next? How about a carnival? Alright, so I hear some banging going on. I gotta go check this out. So if you're looking for a good used car, probably don't want that one. Now these are definitely not the type of cars you want to go be smashing up on. Alright, if anybody remembers me from back in my school days, I had a 1980 black on black Trans Am, so I'm a little fond of the TAs. So check this one out.
So we'll put your name in the box.
Okay. So I'm gonna try out the buggining contest this year. My first year, there's been already in a row. The one guy has won 3 times. So in a row.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to beat him.
She's gonna take him out.
Pumps by Laney.
Alright, how'd it go? Yeah, I think Lucy's a bug eater.
I thought I could do it, but it's like a lot of work. I'm gonna go right now to the porta potty. I'm gonna puke.
Alright, so that's what we do in a small town during the fall. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.